So just a quick demonstration of how to determine what a current brand is using in terms of tone of voice and general themes. So I've just found this company trip.com, and I just, as an example, took a copy of a few of their content on a few of their posts. So I've copied all of the text into a Word document here, and then I selected all of this and copied it. And then I went to so to get into ChatGPT in Edge, all you do is you open up Edge browser, and then it's the blue button over here, and this is takes it in. So I'm over here. Um, so I just typed in, I said, analyze my brand's existing copy and provide me with a report that highlights the common themes and tone of our content. And then I pasted. So that's what I typed in. And then I pasted all of that text from the Word document. And then I sent it off. So this is what it came back to me. Based on the provided copy, here are the common themes. So travel, adventure, cuisine, deals and offers. Okay, so from, I think I did 4 posts, but they were quite long posts. And I think you can have up to 4,000 characters, so you can't go too mad. And then in terms of tone, it goes informative. The copy provides useful information about travel requirements, destinations, events, and cuisine. Inviting, the tone is welcoming and encourages readers to explore new places and experiences. Exciting, the copy creates excitement about travel and adventure, enticing readers to take action. And then the hashtags, it's analysed that and said that overall your brand's copy is engaging and effectively communicates the value provided to travellers. It successfully combines information with excitement to create a compelling narrative for your audience. Keep up the good work. So quite a handy thing. Just, you might find somebody, oh, they do really nice writing. Here you can work out what is their tone of voice and have a look at exactly how they're doing it.